Hi, Joanna here, and I'm recording this video to invite you to join us in our first ever strategic planning online workshop series that we're going to be running in January. This is going to be a series of 5 90-minute online workshops where we will work very closely with the key members of your leadership team to help you dive into your data analytics and develop a very detailed, data-driven strategic action improvement plan for 2021. Now, I know that I'm hitting you at the end of an absolutely horrendous year, and that you and your team are all truly exhausted from the continual changes you've had to make in the way you operate and the ongoing financial stresses and health worries and everything else. And if you say, Joanna, we just can't handle anything else, trust me, I understand. But I wanted to really encourage you to join us in this, because at the end of this 5-week series, you will have received what I think is several real benefits. First, you'll have a very detailed strategic action plan for 2021. Perhaps you'll identify 2 to 3 goals that your team decides you want to achieve in the new year, such as we want to reduce the level of patients leaving AMA from 18% to 15% by December 31st. And we're going to do that by taking these actions, 1, 2, 3. This can be very useful in guiding you throughout the year in taking a few important steps to continually improve your outcomes. The second thing that you'll gain from this is that your entire team will become comfortable with using Vista's data analytics to inform their decision-making process. And the third thing you will take from this is that you will have the opportunity to talk with and learn from and collaborate with your peers at other respected addiction treatment centers across the country as part of an online, invitation-only private community that we're going to be launching commensurate with this strategic planning workshop. We're only going to be offering this workshop once a year, and we will work with you to pick a time that works for the majority of your team members each week. So again, it will be 90 minutes once a week for 5 weeks. And we want to make sure that everyone is able to participate in this. And so we've done everything we can to minimize our costs. And the total cost for a center that treats less than 50 patients at a time is going to be $149, period. If you treat over 50 patients at a time, your cost will be $299. If you're interested, all you have to do is respond to this email with a little message saying, count us in, and we will reach out and identify what are some good times for you, and we will charge this additional minor fee to your invoice the 1st of January. So finally, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I know all of us are going to be absolutely thrilled to turn the corner into 2021. And I really want to encourage you to join the other members of the Vista Research Network in developing a data-driven strategic action improvement plan for 2021 by joining this workshop series. Thank you.